Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion TV. I am fine and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God. Dear friends, you are watching the best and trendy collections of raincoats. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for rainy season. Completely waterproof and windproof, excellent romantic hooded raincoats. Dear friends, if you want to see much more collections of raincoats, please visit my YouTube channel Fashion TV and search videos about your own choice. Dear guys, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing for bell icon, you can get my new uploading video notification first. Dear friends, my video see till the end because next you can see much more collections of raincoats. I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video, so I request you please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and say them to subscribe my channel. Dear friends, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you. Thanks for watching.